Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, how to create a faux garden rose. A rose that looks like it was just picked out of Grandma's garden. You know, with the center wide open. It can be a standard rose, it can be a spray rose, whichever rose you like. Start with a rose that is opened. Needs to be a little bit mature. Then just pull the petals apart very carefully, circling your fingers down in. Then pluck the center straight out. You want to remove all those inner petals. Then to get the look like this, go ahead and reflex each of the outer petals. Sometimes you'll want to go back and pull a few more from the interior, but soon you'll have a perfect fresh from the garden rose. Spray roses, same thing. Just reach in, pluck out the center, and you've got a beautiful garden rose. Now you know how the pros do it.